I always hear this saying na everything happens for a reason and that everything happens in God's perfect timing. Hindi ko naintindihan yung ibig sabihin nun hanggang ngayon. Siguro, ito nga yung plano ni Lord. It's amazing how God plans for everything. Kasi you came at a time when I thought love isn't for me. Luckily, I gave it a try. You were my saving grace after all that I've been through. You are my angel in disguise. Sabi nga nila, love is sweeter the second time around. Tama nga naman. Buti na lang hinulit mo ako noon. Napilitan tuloy akong bigyan ka ng second chance. Naalala ko pa when you first called me Mrs. Llanos. I already have that this is it feeling. Sabi ko nga, sobrang love talaga ako ni Lord. I didn't ask for someone as good as you. I just asking for someone that I deserve. Pero He gave me more than that. He gave me you. Sabi ko nga, burger lang ang hiniling ko. May kasama pang fries and drinks. Seriously, I didn't imagine that I would end up with someone as good as you. Sobrang matyaga sa pagligpit ng mga kalat ko, taga-massage ko, pagpagod ako. Ginigising ko sa madaling araw para lang magpasama mag-toilet kasi duwag ako. And my best friend when I need someone to talk to kapag stress na stress ako, ikaw na talaga. Sabi mo nga, ang Sir Chief ng buhay ko. Push natin yan. Thank you, Zell, for making my dream wedding come true. Kasi, hindi lang yung dream wedding ko yung tinupad mo. Pati yung dream ko to unite my family again nangyari. Alam ko, hindi naging madali. Marami tayong pinagdaanan during the preparation. Maraming problema, na-stress tayo. Pero you remain to be patient. And these experiences have made our relationship even more stronger. Zell, thank you for the unconditional love that you gave me. I can't imagine life without you. And if God will give me a chance to choose my partner sa second life ko, I will still choose you. And today, I want the world to know how lucky I am to have you as my partner in life. I will try to be the best wife that I can be. A listening ear kapag kailangan mo ng kausap. Kasama mo sa hirap at ginhawa. Mamahalin at aalagaan hanggang sa pagtanda natin. As long as God is in the center of our relationship, kaya natin to. Mahal ng mahal kita.